How to build wealth from zero, step by step. Hello, my friend. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important: building wealth from zero. Yes, starting with nothing. No money, no special connections, no big advantages. Just you, your dreams, and your will to change your life. Many people believe that wealth is only for the lucky or the rich from birth, but that is not true. Anyone can build wealth if they learn the right steps and have patience. It takes time, effort, and the right mindset, but it is possible. You do not need to rush. You just need to keep moving forward every day. Wealth is not just about money. It is about freedom, security, and the power to live life your way. So, let's begin this journey together. Let me show you how to build wealth from zero, step by step. Chapter 1. Believe in yourself and set clear goals. Before you start, the first and most important step is to believe in yourself. You must believe that you can do this. Wealth is not magic. It is a result of your actions and choices. Many people give up before they even begin because they don't believe in themselves. Don't be like them. You have the power inside you. You can change your story. Next, set clear goals. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to have in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years? Why do I want to build wealth? For my family? For freedom? For my dreams? What will I do with my wealth? Write down your goals. Make them specific. For example, I want to save $10,000 in 1 year, or I want to earn $1,000 every month from my business. Clear goals give you a direction. Without goals, it is easy to get lost and give up. Chapter 2. Create a budget and track your money. Now, the second step is to understand where your money goes. If you don't know this, you cannot control your money. Start by creating a simple budget. Write down all the money you earn and all the money you spend every month. Be honest. There are many free apps you can use, or just a notebook will do. The goal is to spend less than you earn. This difference is what you can save or invest. Look for small expenses that you can reduce or remove. For example, eating outside every day may cost a lot. Try cooking at home more often. Small changes add up. Tracking your money also helps you avoid debt. Debt is a big enemy of wealth. Chapter 3. Build an emergency fund. Before investing or starting a business, build an emergency fund. This is money you keep aside for unexpected problems. Life is full of surprises. A medical bill, car repair, or job loss. Without emergency savings, these events can ruin your progress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of your essential living costs in this fund. It may seem hard at first, but even saving a small amount every week helps. Think of this fund as your safety net. It gives you peace of mind and freedom to take better risks later. Chapter 4. Increase your income. Now that you are tracking your money and saving, the next step is to increase your income. To build wealth from zero, you need more money coming in than just your basic job. There are many ways to do this. Ask for a raise or promotion at your current job. Find a better paying job. Start a side hustle or small business. Learn new skills that pay more. Work freelance or online jobs. Sell products or services you know. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. Invest time in learning and working smart. Sometimes the extra work will be hard, but it is a key to wealth. Also, don't be afraid to try new things. The first step is always the hardest. Chapter 5. Manage debt wisely. Many people start with debt, credit cards, loans, or unpaid bills. Debt can be a heavy burden if you don't manage it well. Make a plan to pay off your bad debts as soon as possible. Pay the debts with the highest interest rates first. These cost you the most money. Avoid taking new debts for things you don't need. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment, like a loan to start a business or buy education. Bad debt is for things that lose value, like expensive gadgets or clothes. Getting out of debt is freeing. It allows you to save more and build wealth faster. Chapter 6. Learn about investing. Once you have some savings and no bad debt, it is time to learn about investing. Investing means putting your money into things that grow over time. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or your own business. The key is to start small and learn as you go. Don't rush to put all your money in risky investments. Instead, build knowledge and confidence. Remember, investing is a long-term game. The money you invest today can grow for years and become much bigger. If you are unsure, find a mentor or trusted advice. There are many free resources online that teach basics of investing. Chapter 7. Save and invest consistently. Building wealth is like planting a tree. You don't see big changes in one day, but over time, small actions create big results. Make saving and investing a habit. Put money aside every week or month, no matter how small. Consistency beats big but rare efforts. It is better to save $10 every week for 5 years than $500 once. If possible, automate your savings. Set your bank account to move money to savings or investment accounts automatically. This removes the temptation to spend and makes building wealth easier. Chapter 8. Develop a wealth mindset. Money is important, but your mindset about money matters even more. A wealth mindset means you believe you deserve wealth. You are patient and willing to learn. You focus on solutions, not problems. You see failure as a lesson, not an end. You think long-term, not just short-term. You avoid jealousy and compare less. Read books, listen to podcasts, and surround yourself with positive people who support your goals. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your actions. Change your mindset, and your actions will follow. Chapter 9. Protect your wealth. As you build wealth, you need to protect it. This means have an insurance for health, car, and home. Keeping important documents safe. Avoiding scams and bad deals. Planning for taxes wisely. Having a will or legal plan. Protection is not about fear, but about smart planning. Wealth is fragile in the beginning. Protecting it helps you keep what you worked hard to build. Chapter 10. Give back and stay. Humble. True wealth is not just money. It is also about how you use your wealth to help others. When you start to build wealth, remember to give back to your community or help someone in need. It could be time, money, or knowledge. Giving creates positive energy and helps you stay humble and grateful. Gratitude helps you enjoy your journey, not just the destination. My friend, building wealth from zero is a journey. It takes patience, learning, and consistent action. Remember these steps. Believe in yourself and set clear goals. Create a budget and track your money. Build an emergency fund. Increase your income. Manage debt wisely. Learn about investing. Save and invest consistently. Develop a wealth mindset. Protect your wealth. Give back and stay humble. Take one step every day. It doesn't matter how small it is. Progress is progress. You have the power to change your life. Wealth is possible for you, no matter where you start. I believe in you. Now it is time for you to believe in yourself and take action. I wish you success, peace, and happiness on your wealth journey.